All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the batteries in the FlipPal mobile scanner. All right, first of all, we got to take the old batteries out. So we're just going to flip it over, right? Then spin her around here, and you're going to see there's a little compartment here. We're just going to pop that, bam. And this is the new batteries. You don't want to mix them up. So I'm just going to pull this little tab, and it kind of pops out the one battery there. And I think there's just 2 batteries in here. So just got to slide it a little bit to get it out. Like that, and done. And let's just double check, make sure there's no other batteries. Nope, don't think so. Oh yeah, there's 4 batteries. All right, so we got 4 batteries out of there. So these are the 4 bad batteries. Put them over there, and then you got to get your good batteries. Now the question is, how do you put these batteries in? So you got to make sure that you put them in the right way. So if you look, I don't know if you can see, but it kind of shows us. See it, how it shows the positive end facing this direction here, or to the left? What we've got to do is we've got to slide them in like this. 1, 2, 3. And I think we're going to push this one this way because it's got a little spring on it. And then we're going to go like this. We're going to put this one this way, pull this one back, and then just shift it in there. You want to make sure your tab's right there. Right now, I think we're pretty good. All we got to do is put our little thing on here. Bam. Squeeze it. Goes in. And now we should be ready to go. Okay, so before we test it and see if it works, so before we start, we're going to take our SD card, and we're going to take it to the side, and we're going to slide it in there. And if you notice, there's a little spring on it, so it pushes in and pushes out, so you can grab it easy. That's in and out, right? So push her in all the way. Then you've got to hit this button right here to the side. Whoops, like that. That kind of sets it up. So now it's ready to go. All right, we've got our new batteries in there, and we've turned it on. We put our SD card in. If you see that green battery filled, you know that you're ready to go. Now we can scan something. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on how to do stuff. Peace.